Hey guys, welcome back with another one. Pick this up from a skip because I'm a skip raider. It's I can't help myself. I'm just an absolute sucker for just picking rubbish up. But I want to get this done today. This is the same day that I've just done that one with the contactor that's just been uploaded, but this is the same day. I've got to get this done. They're coming to collect the bins. And I want to get this in the bin. Right, it's a mini fridge. Right, so let's see if it works. What's it say on there? Do not block ventilation. Do not fill in water. Do not fill in water. What does it mean, do not fill in water? Do not fill water, maybe, with water. But yeah, look, it takes DC, AC. Got a plug here. It's a figure 8 plug. Goes hot and cold, apparently. I don't know if this works. I'm not expecting it to work. Let's have a look. Oh, that's still a bit wet there. Let's just do that. Oh, it works. Don't know if you can see there. That light is on, this one here. The fan is spinning. Can you see it? Does it do the hot as well? Yeah, that light's on. I don't know whether to take this apart now. But what am I going to use it for? I'm not, am I? So let's wreck it, because that's what we're all here for. Well, that's what I'm here for, so to say. Let's hope it ain't got no big capacitors in there. Apparently it's got, I looked online, and apparently, just get you a bit squared up, apparently they have a nice bit of copper in it, which I wouldn't mind having out of it. I want to get this in the bin though, because I'm not never going to use this. I'd rather just have the electronics out of it than anything else. My son's got one of these, so I was talking to him about it, and he goes, they do a great job of keeping stuff at room temperature. So, right, got a bit of dust in there, so I'd say it's been used a bit. Right, well, it's got a big old capacitor there. So where's the, how's that going to keep it cold then? Big old capacitor there, so I'll be careful on that. But that must be underneath there, so let's, like the screws, must be under this cover here. There we go. Just going to get the scrap out of this. Get rid of the plastic. Should get me screw gun. Hold on tight. Right, here I am back. That's a lot quicker, isn't it? Let's get this out as well. This has been used quite a lot. Look at the fan on it. Why won't it come out? Something glued in. Where was that screwed in then? Anyway, rubbish. Just throw that in there because that's got to go in there. Well, this must be the power air. I'll have to be careful. Let's have a look what these are. This fan on here. Just cut that off. Nice big fan though. Don't think these are worth much money. Look, you never guess where it was made. China. Alright, let's get it outside quickly. So, what is that? That capacitor. That's 25 volts, that little one here, so that's not too worried. It's just this one here I'm worried about. And what I might do is just do this. That's 400 volts. You don't want to get zapped with that, I'll tell you. That will give you a nasty, nasty, nasty one. So this is the heat sink. Nice bit of aluminium. Keep that. Temperature pad on it, that's a sensor there. Yeah. There's your sensor, heat sensor. This will show you how cold it is, and then that is what you're chilling at. One sec. I'll save all the aluminium because I'm gonna do some casting with it. Hopefully, I'll get round to it. There's the circuit board. Transformer. So that's 6 amp, 220 volts. A few little diodes here. It's got 4 diodes. Maybe that transfers it from AC to DC. I think that is a capacitor. What they called them ones? Can't remember what they're called. That's a fuse there, look. That's the fuse. Yeah, a little couple of more heat sinks. And a little tiny circuit board. Nothing much in there. Some stuff worth saving though. You just need to brush it off. You get a brush. Yeah. It's worth saving this for the power lead, and if you're ever doing a project, which I am going to do a project, in this box here, you can't see it really, in this box here, there's an amp, which I'm going to make a ghetto blaster from, with a few speakers that I've got, whenever I get round to it. But yeah, there's got heat sinks here, some capacitors, don't know what that is there, a few little things. What's that? Can't leave that in there. Nothing really. That is it. Is that just, what is this? That is solid. That can't be solid aluminium. That's just a solid aluminum block. Nice. Keep that. Throw that bit of crap away. Yeah, nice little aluminum block there. This is the stuff you want to be moulding stuff from, the casting. You don't want to be casting like aluminium cans, aluminum cans, because aluminum cans are only 50% aluminum. The rest is absolute junk. Yeah, got a couple of switch upper there. Because I save a lot of aluminum stuff here, because this is what I'm going to do a lot of casting with. All these bits. All these bits. But yeah, that's it really. Nothing more to do. This must be the thing that gives off the cold and the heat. The Tech 12703 from the 07 2016. So it's quite an old thing. That's got to be a sensor, is it? Who knows? Anyway, thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Like and subscribe as well.